Today we're cooking chicken thigh fillet on the Souvla. Clean them up a little bit, cut into nice small pieces. 150 ml Corona. It's nice for 2.5 kilos chicken. Little bit for me. Massage. 35 grams salt. 1.5 gram oregano. 1.5 gram thyme. 4 gram black peppercorn. 4 gram garlic powder. Crush them up good. 1 onion. Grate them up. Put the spices. Leave him resting a couple hours. Two nice sticks we got in. Okay, it's almost done. Scratch him up a little bit. Bloody beautiful, mate. Leave him resting. Let's have a look. It's bloody beautiful, mate.